Hi, this is Jen. This is my kitchen tour. I figured I would start in my living room because my living room actually looks decent. This is my living room, front door to my house, and a little Plymouth sign. And this is my kitchen, 1986 original. I'm taping this for my friend Victoria because I am about to totally renovate my kitchen. Well, not myself, but we're gonna gut it and put in everything new windows, new door, and all new cabinets and appliances. We're gonna reconfigure the kitchen. You can see the cabinets are that horrible 80s laminate. They're literally falling apart. They're horrible. We have no space at all. You can see the door literally fell off a couple weeks ago on our Lazy Susan cabinet, which is now a mess. Ugly, ugly. We have this weird, this is actually a pantry cabinet that slides out in this strange configuration. It's just a mess. It's really difficult to organize. So I'm looking forward to getting rid of that. Here's our refrigerator, kitchen table. This is going to be totally gone. We're kind of building the kitchen out so the new refrigerator will be in this corner here. We won't have an eat-in kitchen anymore. We're going to have a bigger island that will have seating at it. This is doubling as my study center. And then this is kind of the big view. You can see different areas that Sadie has eaten the wallpaper next to that chair. So that's it. Kitchen before. Goodbye, 1986. It's been real. I've lived with you for 5 years, and it's time to say goodbye.